Hi, Ed Hardesty, Associate Broker, Douglas Elliman Real Estate. Want to take a quick look at the markets for March 2014. Still brutally cold outside, but interestingly enough, it hasn't really slowed down the buyer demand out in the marketplace. Still very strong. What I do think has happened, though, is it slowed down the inventory coming on the market. I'm talking to a lot of sellers, a lot of brokers that have property sitting, waiting to come on the market. They're kind of waiting for the spring market and things to thaw out a little bit. So I think we're going to see some more property coming on over the next month or two. Still currently very strong demand for the units that are out there. Pricing's continuing to climb. We're really expecting this to continue now for the foreseeable future, so great time to be on the market. On an interest rate front, they're still holding very well in the high 3s, low 4s, depending on the loan you're looking for. The Fed has started its official slowdown of the buyback program. They were buying back about $85 billion a month in mortgage-backed securities, bonds, and stuff like that. They're reducing that by $5 billion a month, and we really expected that to spike the rates up like it did last year, but fortunately, they've actually held very well, and for a little while, they're even dipped down a bit. So it's a great time to take advantage of rates if you're going to buy, if you're going to refinance, because there's really no question that over the next year, 18 months, rates are going to be going up a bit. On a rental market, seems to be picking up a little bit. I would have thought it would be stronger than it is, and again, maybe it's weather-based, hard to tell, but you can still, through the city, Brooklyn, find a lot of landlords, a lot of buildings that are offering incentives to people to rent apartments, paying brokers' fees, partial fees, free month's rent. If you're thinking about jumping into the rental market, would love to hook you up with one of our team members that specialize in that, help you find a great apartment. If you're thinking about stepping into the market as a seller, a buyer, a renter, we would love the chance to sit down and show you how we can help. I mean, I've been doing this for over 20 years. We've sold close to $500 million worth of real estate. And that experience and the team, along with the tools Douglas Elliman brings to bear, which really provide you as a seller especially some tools that nobody else, no other firm can do, allows us to offer you and provide some very unique solutions to help you get what you want. I invite you to check back to this YouTube channel on a regular basis. We update these videos, try to provide interesting information, and like us on Facebook, The Hardesty Team. The Hardesty Team on Facebook. We update that almost every day with the goings-on in the city, new listings, things like that. Keep you up to speed. We thank you. We'll speak to you soon.